Hey, everybody. Welcome to the final installment of my Thailand series. Today, I'll talk about the landscape. I spent this trip primarily on the island of Koh Samui. It borders the Gulf of Thailand, which is part of the South China Sea. The climate there is tropical, and I visited during the rainy season. Although sunshine was plentiful, I experienced my fair share of rain as well. Koh Samui is home to several waterfalls, beaches, mountains, and jungle. I especially appreciated the urban jungle I visited at the elephant sanctuary. There's also diverse wildlife like monitor lizards, geckos, sea turtles, venomous snakes like king cobras. Ugh, I made sure that I stayed away from them. White belly sea eagles, monkeys, and dolphins. I even managed to snap a photo of an ostrich, but it turns out that this animal was brought in from Africa, as ostriches are not native to Thailand at all. Thailand just had so much to offer: great food, flora, fauna, fun, and friendly people. I am so glad and grateful that you all have joined me on my journey through Thailand over the past 4 weeks. I'll see you next week when we will be starting off Black History Month, and my focus will be on young people who have made Black history before reaching adulthood. I'll see you then.